o eve ng New Year? April 12? Yeah. So remember, they were singing. At bakit nangyari yung ganitong bagay na they thought, even the leaders, the captain, they thought that they were indestructible. Kasi yun ang pinakamalaking barko yung time na yun. Huge ship. Subalit, sa madaling araw sa kanilang paglalakbay, ay hindi nila napansin yung malaking iceberg. At nung nakita nila, alanganin dahil sa laki na ng barko nila ay hindi nila maiwasan yung iceberg na malaki. At kung mapapansin na, I don't know if it's true, dun sa movie kasi napanood natin yun, yung kapitan niya sa baba, nakikipaganon doon. Nakikipagsayawan doon yung kapitan ng barko. At nandoon lang yung kanyang timonel. At kung makita niya, tinawagin niya yung kapitan, pumalig yung kapitan, pero wala na rin magawa. So, the laws of navigation, kinakailangan na nakabantay ka. Kinakailangan meron kang hands-on. Although na meron ka ng selected people, you also have to dictate or to teach or to tell those people around you. Maturuan sila mabuti. Kaya nga,